road trip! So obviously, as the title says, I'm going on a road trip. We are in my Model S 100D right now. This is my green car for now. It's gonna be changing, and I figured this is a great way to do one last hoorah in the green Tesla. I have some things happening with the car. There's gonna be a new wrap, there's gonna be a body kit, all kinds of cool stuff coming, but it's time for a road trip. So a little background on the road trip. This is gonna be about a 2,000 mile round trip road trip. Actually probably about 2,500 based on some other collabs that I have to drive around to. But it should be an epic time. It'll be an epic event. We are actually going to the Boring Company's event on Saturday. It was June 9th, and it is for the Not-A-Flamethrower pickup party. So they invited, I think, 1,000 people out, and I was very quick to respond. I actually did it while we were in the Model 3 Hypermile, so that was really cool. And I was able to get accepted to the party. Unfortunately, David and Scott can't come, so this car is pretty empty right now. It's just me, my thoughts, not a lot going on. So I actually hired a videographer out in LA to help me out, shoot the event, so that I can really enjoy it. A lot of times I do all these live streams, and I love live streams, but when I'm at an event, it's hard to enjoy it. And also, at the events, they tend to like downgrade the resolution because there's so many people on the internet. It's a big thing. Anywho, he's gonna be able to shoot 4K for me, and it'll all be stabilized, everything. I'm actually starting off in Denver, Colorado, and heading to Green River, Utah on night 1. So I'll just get a hotel there. It's right next to the supercharger, it's perfect. Then I'll start fresh in the morning, go down through Las Vegas to Hawthorne, have a hotel there, and then that'll be Friday. Saturday's the event. I might actually do Disney on Sunday, I don't know yet. Definitely follow me on like Instagram, Twitter, and all that, so that you can know if I do Disney, because then you can all just like meet up and hang out. Be an awesome place to meet up, I think. Monday I have another photo shoot, videos I'm filming. Then Monday I'll probably start heading home, but then I have some other YouTubers I'm collabing with on the way. It'll be a lot of fun, an epic road trip for sure. It would have been nice if somebody could have come with, but it's okay. I actually don't mind road tripping by myself. I've done it a lot, and it really doesn't bother me. Anyway, I will be doing some live streams at the event still. I don't want to leave you guys hanging, but I'll be posting a lot on Instagram, a lot on Twitter. So definitely tune in, subscribe if you haven't, turn on that little bell next to the subscribe button. That way your phone will notify you when I actually do go live or post a new video, because there's gonna be so many epic things happening, so many videos from this. It might even be like a daily upload thing while I'm on this road trip. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun one. But for now, let's go ahead and get driving and just get there. Okay, we are approaching Glenwood Springs Supercharger, and I went ahead and made a quick pit stop to Wendy's because I needed some food, and Superchargers are always a great place to eat. This one unfortunately isn't next to many restaurants. It is next to like a Target and a hotel and everything. So I decided just to pick up food a little bit before, and it's a little tricky to get here because they're doing a lot of road work here in Glenwood Springs still, but it's really not too bad. It's a pretty nice area, and the hotel right there is super nice. I've actually been in there a few times. when I've charged here to use the restroom and everything, and they've all been super nice. So definitely a great spot for the supercharger. And also, like, if you need a hotel for the night, it's actually kind of funny because like this route that I'm doing up through Green River, Utah, it's basically the same thing I did that actually I launched my channel with. And that was when I went out to the Gigafactory party right after I had picked up my first Tesla. Okay, so we are now starting to charge. It says charging will start momentarily, and then actually will even tell us right there how much time to continue the trip, which I actually also use a better route planner. I'll go ahead and link it down in the description below, and I really think it's an awesome website to help you kind of gear up your road trip. They have all the different Tesla models, including the Roadster 2020 with the information they know, and basically you can put in your average speed, your average overage, any headwind, any battery degradation. They almost have it all, and I really enjoy that website. So I did some research. I can stay here for probably like 30 to 40 minutes and be just fine to get to Green River. But I'm just gonna go ahead and eat, use the restroom, and then we will get back on our way.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it's getting a little late, so that's why I had to turn on the light. I stayed at the Glenwood Supercharger longer than I had to. That's because 3 other white Teslas showed up. We all started talking, a great old time, got to meet some guys who just picked up their Model S, are actually on their way back home to Massachusetts. Got to meet a father and his son's friend from Aspen. All great people. I love meeting people and talking at Tesla Superchargers. I've done it almost at like all of them, and it's so much fun to meet everybody. But we had some great talks. We talked about some Optico, we talked about the car wrap I have, what's coming up to this car. But it was just a lot of fun, and anytime I can talk to cool people that actually enjoy Tesla, love Tesla, I will take the time no matter what it is and participate in that conversation because it is always fun. I always learn something cool. So yeah, I stayed a little bit longer there, probably like half an hour to an hour longer than I needed to. So I'm running a little behind. Now I won't get to my hotel till about 11:30. But 100% worth it. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna drive now. I'll probably reach up when we get to the hotel because it's kind of dark to be doing a lot of outside filming. So I guess I'll just see you guys in like 2.5 hours. I'm just gonna jam out to some music, listen to some podcasts, pass some time. Okay, so made it to the room. I guess is where we will leave off for the night. I have a video to edit, this one, and tomorrow is a long day to LA. Actually, we're gonna go all the way to Hawthorne from Green River, so should be a good time. Anyway, that's basically it. If you guys are looking for a Tesla, definitely check out our website, teslainventory.com. If you're looking for a new or inventory Model S or X, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Using it will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which is currently the only way to get that. And if you do use our referral code, definitely reach out to us through the website at the top right-hand corner. Fill out that form so that way we have your contact info. So when we take delivery of our next-gen Roadster, we can invite you guys out, do test drives, really, because without your support, none of this would be possible, so I can't thank you guys enough. As always, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.
No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness. We're not nameless, we're not faceless, we